retail centers are one of the shining examples we think of innovation. Who would have thought that what used to be known as a health insurance company would have a store? And I'm often asked by people, well, what would you do in a health insurance store? And then they go in and they have an experience that I'll get to in a minute, and they are floored. They are generally pleasantly surprised. I think it's a great example because it shows how we are a health solutions company that is really trying to get closer to its customer base and the market it serves. So our mission is to help improve the health of people and communities in Florida. And these are great examples. These 11 stores are actually in the community, and they provide a face-to-face opportunity for people to come in and not only to buy individual health insurance products that if they're not covered through their employer, but just as important, if they'd like to get service, if they have a question about their claims, if they want to understand how to use their insurance product. It's not always the easiest thing to understand how to use their insurance, and we try to really simplify it and make it easy. The other thing that we think is very innovative are the nurses that are in the retail centers, where our members and then once a month the public can come in for a free health risk assessment. They can meet with a nurse. They can have a little blood test that tells them a few important things about their blood, like glucose, total cholesterol, I believe HDL. They can get on a machine that takes their height and weight and percent body fat, and all this information gets put into a computer basically with some questions they answer, and it spits out a health risk assessment. And our nurse basically can review the status of their health, and based on that, they can be advised on how they can improve their health if necessary, or how they can stop smoking and get enrolled in free programs that Florida Blue provides to do it. But I think that Florida Blue centers are one of the most dramatic things that we've done to demonstrate innovation in the marketplace by bringing a retail model, very similar to how Apple has done, to bring their experience with their computers and education and hands-on, customer service to the market. And we're getting phenomenal results, and I know we're looking at constantly expanding the services that are in there, but I think it's a great example of innovation.